What's the meaning of boerewors? Boerewors. Boerewors.
Boerewors. Boerewors. Boerewors is a type of sausage that originates from South Africa. The name comes from the Afrikaans language and translates to farmer's sausage. It is traditionally made with a mixture of beef and pork, but can also include lamb or other meats. Boerewors is seasoned with a blend of spices that typically includes coriander, cloves, and nutmeg. The sausage is known for its juicy texture and savory flavor, which is often enhanced by cooking it over an open flame or on a braai, barbecue. Boerewors is a popular dish in South African cuisine and is often enjoyed as part of a traditional braai with friends and family.